What's the meaning of ass-licker? Ass-licker. Ass-licker.
Ass-licker. Ass-licker. Ass-licker is a derogatory term used to describe someone who excessively flatters or pleases another person, often with the goal of gaining favor or advantage. The act of ass-licking involves insincere compliments, exaggerated gestures, or groveling behavior. This behavior is viewed as lacking in integrity and self-respect. In many cases, those who are perceived as ass-lickers may lose the respect of their peers and become isolated or ostracized from social groups. Ultimately, the result of being an ass-licker may lead to a loss of credibility and trustworthiness.